Today's first look, we have a 1970 Plymouth Hemi Superbird. I'm Craig Jackson, and in the studio here today is this gorgeous 1970 matching numbers Hemi Superbird that has received a comprehensive rotisserie restoration with just 50 miles on it since its completion, powered by the matching numbers 426 Hemi V8 engine that is factory rated at 425 horsepower. It is equipped with dual 4-barrel carburetors on the hemispherical heads. It has black crinkle valve covers. It has the stock exhaust manifolds on it. The engine is paired to a numbers matching A727 automatic transmission and the SureGrip 8 3/4 inch rear axle with 3.55 ratio gears. The car is one of just 1,935 Superbirds that were produced in 1970, with only 135 that were coming with the Hemi engine. And of those, just 77 were automatics, and this is one of two with this configuration and combination. This Superbird retains its factory data tag and VIN, finished in high-impact lemon twist. It has a black vinyl top with Superbird graphics. It includes the beep beep Roadrunner horn on it, dual exhaust, power steering, power brakes. It rolls on chrome 15-inch wheels, features black and charcoal vinyl upholstery with silver piping on the front buckets and on the rear seat. And it coordinates with the door panels. Black headliner, carpets, and dash, as well as the factory 150-mile-an-hour speedometer, full gauges, heater, defroster, and AM radio. The sale comes with a certification validating the report from Dave Weiss of MMC Detroit. Full documentation with the broadcast sheet, over 600 photos and receipts documenting the car and its restoration. Best part, this absolutely gorgeous Superbird. I love the wing, the graphics, the high impact color, is coming to our Scottsdale 2024 auction January 20th through the 28th at no reserve. We will see you there.